Hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is over here on the kitty tree. Let me see if I can turn you to see her. See her? She's up there. She's on her kitty tree right beside me. I had to bring her in here because Bonnie was going after her. And I was like yelling, and I was on Marco Polo, you know, the app where you're actually videoing yourself talking to your friends. Love that app. Use it all the time. And so my poor friend had to hear me yelling and chasing Bonnie around the house trying to get her to stop attacking Callie. But that's not what today's video is about. Today's video... I'm sorry, I just hadn't gotten over it yet. Today's video is in honor of my 2-year anniversary on the YouTube. Yes, I have had this channel for 2 years. It is 2 years today I posted my very first video. And I'll put a link to that one above. I didn't even show my face, y'all. I was too scared to. I was too, I think my second video I did show my face, but I was a totally different person then. Totally different person. Y'all have helped me come out of my shell, and I'm still working on it. I'm still working to get better, but y'all have helped me so much. I mean, there are people who have been with me from the very beginning. You know who you are, and I love you so very much, and I thank you so very much for keeping up with me and watching and all your support and love throughout the past few years. It just has meant the world to me, and it has put such love in my heart for everybody. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm going to warn you, I am a Southern girl. You never know what is going to come out of my mouth. I do try to keep it kids safe, though, and I am religious, so you are going to hear me talk about God, and probably more so in the future. I am doing a giveaway. Yeah, I love doing giveaways, and let me tell you, I like to put as much stuff in that box as I possibly can, and I normally do big boxes when I do giveaways. Anybody who's won my giveaway, they can tell you I can do a giveaway. I love giving samples. I love giving special products. I love trying to curate to what you like, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a few things that could be in the giveaway, but like I said, I could, if you say, oh, I don't like color on my eyeshadow, I like neutrals, then I may switch something out and make it more to your likings, or if you don't like skincare, or if you're allergic to something, anything like that, just keep it in mind. But I am going to show you some possibilities, and if you want everything that's in it when you win this giveaway, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. I do ask that you please keep to the lower 48 because shipping is just insane. If somebody internationally does win, instead of a box, we'll work out some kind of gift card or something. I was gonna do a gift card. Well, maybe I'll do a gift card and I'll do the box. I do that a lot. I like to do both. That way, if a man wants to enter and win, he might not want all this girl stuff. Or, somebody international who I can't ship to, they have a chance to win. We'll say 50. My husband might get mad at me, but it's a $50 gift card or the goodies. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. You just got to use the word happy, H-A-P-P-Y, down below in a sentence, and because I'm happy that I've stuck it out for 2 years. I had to scale down a little bit, but I'm trying to make it work, y'all. Trying to make it work no matter what. Sprain. Y'all, my purse sprained my wrist. Don't put too much stuff in your purse, really. It's dangerous. All right, so the first thing that I know is going to go in there is this cute little 11-piece gift set. I thought this was so adorable. Look, you get a bag with it. I love the bag. I love the cork on it. It's so cute. What brand is this by? Bloomfield. It's a gift bath set with sleepy lavender essential oils, chamomile flower extract, hops extract, and hawthorn extract. There's body scrubs in here. There's shower and bath gel. There is a loofah in here. There's a lip scrub, a clay mask, a pillow mist. I love the pillow mists. A bath bomb, body lotion, bubble bath, bath salts. I mean, 11 goodies to go to the winner. This is like a spa in a bag right here, which I thought was super cute. When I saw it, I was like, that's got to be a giveaway, Daniel. It's like, he was looking at me going, yeah, you want to spend more money? I'm like, yes, I do. I want to spend it for my peoples. Ooh. Some other things that could be in there, some wipes. These are from Ipsy. These are their refreshment wipes. Decent wipes. Take your makeup off. I'm going to put this Good Vibes, Good Life book in here from Vex King. I never did read it. I'm not going to read it, so I'm going to let somebody else enjoy it. I'm going to put this cute little wallet in here. Who is this from? Sienna May. Cute little Sienna May wallet. I'm going to put a Natasha Denona palette in here. I grabbed the Ayana, but I think I've got like Cupid and maybe one other option that I could switch them out if you want a different color scheme. Laura Geller. Now this one is You're a Natural, so it's more of a natural palette. You can kind of see it through the bubble wrap, but I'm not taking that off since this is going to be for sure a gift. This is the Cocoa Rose blush palette, so you got a little blush to go with your eyeshadow. Also, I'm going to put the Barbarella palette in there from B Beauty. I have this palette myself. Of course, you have to have a headband. You know, it might not match the bag, but it is a cute, it's got the bow on top, cute little headband for when you're washing your face or doing a mask or whatnot. Since we're talking about masks, you know, of course, I'm going to throw a few masks in there. Christmassy masks, eye masks. I'll probably throw some scrunchies in there because these are my favorite. I love these scrunchies. A Dew of the Gods masks. Very nice. This Dew of the Gods smells awesome. Yeah, I'll probably put this in there. This is a 1 line a day. This is a journal for 5 years, a 5-year journal. So you can put a line in there for every day, and then you can go back and see what you did over 5 years, which I think is really cute. So like I said, that is just going to be a taste of what is going to be in the box. Happy for the box, and Merry, M-E-R-R-Y, for the money. You only have to be publicly subscribed to me. You must be 18 years or old, 18 years or older to be in this one. I will check and make sure you're publicly subscribed to me, so make sure that your account is public. If you never go on there and turn it into public when you made your YouTube account, it's not public. So you have to go in there in your settings and actually put it on public. That's the only way we can tell if you're really subscribed to us or not. That's why we ask that of you. All other rules will be down below. Everything here I did pay for with my own money or was sent in subscription boxes. So YouTube is not affiliated, nor are any of the brands that you may get. I'm not responsible for any kind of breakouts, reactions, anything you have to the skincare. So please spot test and make sure you don't have any kind of allergies to any of this stuff before you just go throwing it on your face. I've done that before. It's not fun, trust me. Once the box hits the post office, it's no longer my responsibility. Once I get it shipped out to you, I will give you a tracking number, but that's the best I can do. I can't replace everything that's in this box, so I'm sorry if the post office people get lost, but just take it up with them. Hopefully they can fix that. What else do I need to tell you? Like I said, there's 2 different words. You can use them both if you want to. I'm not going to be picky and say you can't, you know, try to win both ones. But if somebody comes up for both of them, if they win both ones, I will pick another one so that 2 different people will win each gift. You know what I mean? We want to make it as fair as possible. And I want everybody to have an equal chance to win these. Like I said, thank you so very much. I know I've forgotten some rules, but they will all be listed down below. I'm going to run this for 2 weeks. So this is coming out on December 12th. Today's December 9th. So I am going to cut it off Christmas Day, probably in the afternoon. I will announce my winner on the 26th. So probably at, you know, at 9 o'clock when I normally do my videos on that Monday, that's when it's going to be announced who the winners are. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. I know I'm crazy and goofy and scattered. So much has been going on. Probably need to do a chit chat video just to let y'all know, but it's just been crazy. It's just been crazy, but we are going to get this going. I want to celebrate 2 years of friendship with y'all, and I hope for 20 more, 20 plus more. So don't forget, subscribe. There is a button down below for you to subscribe. There's a button below for you to share with your friends so you can tell everybody else about this giveaway or about my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Press that notification bell so you know when the announcement video is coming out. You'll get that announcement saying, let's pick a winner, and you'll know to watch this video and see if you won, because you got to get back with me when you win. You normally email me unboxingdiscoverybyg@gmail.com, and then I can get your winnings to you. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I love giving gifts. I think that outside of the birth of our Lord and the reason we celebrate Christmas, that is my big reason for loving this time of year, is I love to give gifts. I love to see the look on people's face, to know I put a smile on somebody's face, and I really hope I put a smile on your face today. If you do want to donate to the creator, which is me, all proceeds are going to go to revamping the studio, getting better lighting, better cameras, things like that, to make videos the best I can for y'all. Visually appealing. I am, I'm changing. It's different, but man, is it fun. So there's 2 ways you can do that. There's a super thanks down below. That's like giving a tip through YouTube. If you do that, it actually does like change the color of your comment below and kind of make it stand out more. It does not increase your odds for winning, but it does make your comments stand out more. Also, you can buy me a coffee. There is an actual website. It's called Buy Me a Coffee, and there's a link below for that, and it's like giving a tip. I actually get a bigger percentage if you go that route. One coffee is $1, so you can buy as many coffees as you want for me. Like I said, it's going to go towards the channel, and, hopefully we can have some fun. Y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.